Alright guys, this is part 2. I had to end that because I have a limit on my videos, sadly. Now, obviously, these computer opponents aren't that bad, but if you're thinking of cheapness, probably this for a starter. Because obviously, you're going to want something that looks probably good. And I don't know what any of this says. And if anyone knows, please tell me in the comments. Anyways, if you want to just build your own computer, you can build your own. I suggest you have a professional help you, because obviously the professionals 9 times out of 10 know what they're doing. And obviously, what would be better, a single fan or a double fan? Now, to me, I feel like they're probably both good. They're both probably good at the end of the day. But if I had to choose, I'd probably say something normal and also good amount of size. Now, if you're obviously a minor and you're watching my video, just know that 9 times out of 10, if your parents have money, like crazy money, like basically they make a lot of money, 9 times out of 10, you could get good stuff. You probably get a PC that costs over $30,000. Someone actually did spend probably about, they spend a good amount of money on a gaming system or whatever. But if I'm gonna be honest, because graphic cards could go from small to high amount, I suggest look up good graphic cards that are cheap, but yet still good for 2024 or whichever year you're in. Now, my videos could probably stay up until decades or hundreds of years. I don't know if YouTube would be still active 100 years later. Probably not, but I'm not that sure. Anyways, you could probably get whatever graphic card you want. You can get good graphic cards, and it doesn't really matter. 9 times out of 10, you could probably find graphic cards for a good amount of money. Now, you want a PC? Well, there's 2 different types of PCs that you can get. There's a water type. I think there's another type that you have to put like gel in or whatever. But the water one is basically just put in water, but you have to empty it and then, put new water in every once in a while. Yeah. But it's only like $20 for some good water. If you want to put your PC at max performance, I guess get $20 water. I don't know. My friend Sean told me about it. Anyways, we're using Sean as a private name. His name's not actually Sean. Or I might be lying, but they have different pieces. They have a lot of different ones. My friend made him. That's not his actual name. My friend named 12 Sean said that 9 times out of 10, the best cooling system, well, not cooling system, but graphics card was the one on Best Buy. I mean, these things aren't that bad, but then you gotta think about them. Because look, double fans, and these things aren't that bad, if I'm gonna be honest. Because you could get, here's the thing, if you build PCs, obviously PCs aren't gonna be crazy. You can't have them crazy and can't have them not crazy. Because you want the good PC. I'm gonna say you want a good PC, not a bad PC. You want a good one. So good PCs mean you have to have the best graphics, the best stuff, and your budget, obviously. So let's say your budget is, let me think, $20,000. $20,000, I don't know. I mean, millionaires spend more money on stuff. And I'm sorry if something's a little blurry from far. Here we go. My camera gets a little blurry. Sometimes I'm using my iPhone to do this. That's the only thing I do to post videos on. You can obviously look at stuff, but if you do a triple fan, those things are pretty hard. And those things can go up to like $200 to $300. And look, there's more fans. Jeez, okay, I don't know. Just ignore the colors that you see. I'm just gonna, there you go. I can't see them. Yeah, but there's a lot of stuff, obviously. We're gonna go all the way up to our triple fans. Oh, wait. Obviously, you can't find 3-fan ones. I mean, I looked up 3 fans. And look, they go up to a good amount. Almost like $400. It could go to 400, 500, 600, all the way up to probably like $1,000. But obviously, you have a lot of stuff looking at. Well, to look at. And look, guys, if you're on a really, really tight budget, don't go for something like, this, because 9 times out of 10, this is probably not that good. This is probably not that good. And, it might look cool, from me honest. I would have probably got pranked by it as well. And then look at this. Since high performance, they say high performance. It might be true. It might be good high performance. Oh, it's not bad for RPMs. And it's black, which that's not bad, but now look at this. They listed all. I mean, obviously you want to list, you want to have it listed. Now, if it's something for like $100, I mean, this looks like, let me be honest, this kind of looks like some really cheap plastic that I can snap in half easily. But let's look at the video. There's videos on Amazon if you didn't know that. I mean, it looks pretty cool, if I'm gonna be honest. It doesn't look bad for being inside. This is that would be full tower case and stuff. Now, obviously, a dual fan graphics card and installing it would be pretty easy, because obviously you have to just make sure you put it in a certain way, and you have to make sure it's all perfect, actually. Would that be easy? No. If you have small hands, like I do, kind of. I kind of have some small hands. Can't put the suckers like how he does. But I have small hands, so it might be easier than you think. So obviously, you have to hook it up so that way when you start your PC, it doesn't overheat, because obviously when you hook up your PC, you cannot just expect it to send it. So obviously you have to build it, you gotta do a lot of stuff. And obviously 9 times out of 10, you're probably gonna have to hook up everything, because obviously that's how life is. You gotta hook up one thing after another. But it's not that bad, actually. It looks pretty nice. Would I say getting it? Probably, but I don't suggest getting it really. What if it's like bad or something? You never know. It could be like not even, oh, come on, where? Okay, there we go. What if it's bad? What if it's good? You never know. That's the thing. So obviously, eventually I'll have to stop this video in about 5 minutes because I don't have a sadly I have a limit on this. I don't know why. I guess it's until I get better. Maybe you can get that, or it's kind of like choosing dirt bikes or whatever. Now, whatever color your PC is, if it's black, do what you want. It doesn't matter. Either way, PCs are PCs. Let's say you have a black PC, but you do all white inside. Okay, call it the Oreo PC. You know what? I was always curious about something. Car PC. I just thought of something. Why am I thinking of this right now? Why did you look up car PC? That's because I just thought of it. Car PC. Car PC. Car PC case. And obviously, you can have cases, which people do obviously. Oh, sorry, I almost dropped my phone. Obviously, there's different ones, because there's a Tesla Cybertruck one, I think. Some of them look like refrigerators, kind of like that one. I don't know why it looks like a refrigerator to me, because it kind of does. Oh, hang on. Yeah. And this looks like another refrigerator. It looks like a refrigerator to me. I don't know why. It just kind of does. Am I stupid? No. Maybe. I don't know. But this is a travel bag if you like taking your PC anywhere with you. I like that one. That one actually looks really cool. These two, I love all of the PC cases, and they are really cool too. That's the even better part. You can find crazy cool ones. This one looks pretty cool, if I'm gonna be honest. It's curved. But let me be honest. All PCs are obviously different and crazy. Our PC case. I mean, look, images. You go to images, and right now, look. They have all these ones. Obviously, look. I mean, could you judge us car guys for looking up these? If you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. Now, you can put stuff inside of your PCs if you want. I mean, you can look it up on Amazon, but I already found what I want, and obviously what I want is what I want. So we are going to close some of these tabs up. This is a cooling system. That's a computer. Another thing, and another something I already finished. And just more stuff. Obviously, you should try looking up this stuff. If you're asking why it's a lot of money, that's because you can choose between the pre-build and the build. Yep, you heard me. The pre-build and the build. Yep. Anyways, this is going to be a part 2 on my video. But let me know in the comments what PCs I should look at and what websites I should try. Obviously, my friend, what are you gonna call? Pori, not Pori, Dory. His name's not actually Dory. For 5 reasons, we're gonna call him Dory because obviously he told me to try this website. I already deleted it. It's called PicPC or something. I forgot what it's called. Anyways, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you like my build, please tell me in the description if there's any websites that I should try and look at on PCs. Anyways, if you loved the video and you liked it, please like and subscribe. Thank you, and good night.